Here's how to set up an away form for Lucky Orange Chat. An away form is a great way to have a chat presence on your website, even when your office is closed. So inside Lucky Orange, all we have to do is go to Communicate on the left sidebar, and then we'll go to Chat Settings. And inside Chat Settings, we want to be in Appearance. And there's a lot of different things that you can do to customize the appearance of your chat, but let's scroll all the way down to Away Form. Now inside the Away Form section, we can customize the message that shows. Now this happens when somebody opens up the chat window and you are offline, or if a visitor doesn't receive a response within 45 seconds from their initial chat. So this shows up. We want to have something here, like it says here, we're not currently available. Please leave your information below. Whatever you want to say that's relevant for your business. Now we can also offer office hours. Office hours, if we are actually away a certain amount of time every single day. This is a great way to say, hey, we're not here right now, but we will be back on at this time. We can also customize the thank you message. So in this case, we say, thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you within 1 business day. This is a great way to set expectations of what happens next. If they're saying, I need help, and you're saying we're not available, how long is it going to take you to get back in touch with them? It's a great place to say, this is exactly what you can expect, and it'll lead to better customer support outcomes.